feel something. I found it. It was in my back pocket. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is gonna be one of those curated content kind of videos based on just one thing. It's not a vlog. I have been daily vlogging, so if you haven't checked this out, be sure to check those out. I will have a playlist listed up here somewhere. Today we are going to be unboxing this thing right here. We're going to be unboxing my very first MacBook Air. I have never ever owned a MacBook, a Mac desktop, what are those called? I've never owned one. I've always had like a Windows version. I've been saving up for this. I've been thinking about it. I made a very thoughtful purchase and I think it's going to be excellent. Okay, handy dandy knife. Got my box here, and can you see everything? Yes, so we cut away from ourselves, ladies and gentlemen. It looks like it's fairly simple. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I might pee my pants. I say fairly simple, and then, oh okay, it's an actual box. Oh my god, it says it right there. MacBook Air. Okay. Ooh, fancy. Don't need the knife anymore. Good, I was kind of afraid. Taking the plastic off. Oh my god. Look at my baby. Is this really mine? Like, is this real? Okay, so let's do this like an actual unboxing YouTuber. In the box, we have the MacBook Air. Then you do get the charging cube, just like this, also wrapped in plastic. And then you get your HBC cord, is that what it's called? HBC, HDMI. Your USB-C cord, and it has just those. Yeah. Okay. And it has a nice little cover on it, and she's turning on.
Press the return key.
Okay, I'm gonna set this up real quick. Keyboard, excellent. It's setting up right now, so give me just a second and I'm gonna review it. I also just realized I didn't have my Apple Watch on this whole time. I'm doing an Apple unboxing? What? Okay, so she is set up. Let me just give you an opinion on the setup process. It was really easy, self-explanatory. Some of the things were a little bit foreign to me just because I've never had a MacBook, but I do have an iPhone as well as an Apple Watch. Oh, it's got a background, okay. Just popped up. Super duper lightweight. I know I've said this before, but it's just so refreshing. That's kind of sad that the Apple doesn't light up. It's just like the silver, which, let me just explain. I did get the silver version. I don't necessarily like the rose gold for Apple products, but I went with the silver instead of the space gray because my Apple Watch is silver as well as my iPhone X is silver, so I thought I would just keep that going, have all silver little product. Keyboard feels incredible. It's a little bit to get used to, just going from like, what do you call that, a PC, a Windows computer, a PC, we're gonna call it that. Going from that type of laptop to this type of laptop, the MacBook, it's not very loud, which is great. I saw a review video, and the guy said that the sound of the keys were a little loud, but I didn't get that. I'm gonna keep playing with this, but first initial thoughts, I am in love with it. It's a really slim, simple computer. I really like this. This is my current computer. It is an HP, but it's this heavy duty computer. It's actually pretty good for games and stuff, but this thing is heavy. Look at that. Totally different size difference. There is a difference in weight for sure. This one's a lot heavier, but this one doesn't feel as light as I thought it would. So yeah, in a nutshell, I am very happy within the hour that I've been playing with this thing. I'm so happy with it. Anyways, if you can hear background noise, I do apologize. There's some people talking in the kitchen right now. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know if you've ever had a MacBook and what your thoughts on it are. And if you like the new 2020 MacBook Air. And yeah, with all that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.